Hello, welcome everyone to question number 14, minimum index character from the topic hashing in Geek for Geeks must do coding questions. Have a quick look at the question and we'll be discussing the meaning and approach behind it. Before that, if you have any extra email IDs, please do subscribe and support our channel. And if you have any doubt, just leave a comment down below where we will be very quick to respond. Let's continue to the discussion of the question. Now the question is saying there are two variables given, that is str and pat, and we have to find if any element of pat is present inside the str or not. If it is present, then we have to return the minimum index in that variable. For example, we have to check if s is present inside the str. Yes, s is present inside the str variable, and position of s is 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, s is present at fourth index. S is at fourth index. Now we will check for another character if it is present or not. And if the character is present, then we have to take the first occurrence of that only. In case of S also, we are only taking first occurrence. We will not consider the second occurrence at all, because we need the minimum value. So whatever the elements comes, whatever elements comes repeated, it will obviously the maximum index. So we don't want that. So in case of E, we are getting the first index. That will be E has the value of 1. Okay. Now for T, is T present? Yes, T is not there, so there is no need of that. At least one element should be there, and we have to take the minimum of both of these index. What is the minimum of both of these indexes? Minimum is 1 here. So we will return this to the output. Output will be 1 in this case. No element is present. In that case, we return -1 to the output. If any element is present, we're going to return the position of that. I hope you have understood the basic meaning here. Now let's understand how can we approach in terms of coding. Now let us write down all the elements inside the hash map. Here for G will be the key, or you can say character will be the key, and the value will be the index position of the character. So G position character will be 0. Only first occurrence will be storing. We are not storing the repeated element occurrence. Okay, for E it is 1, and for E second E we are not considering. K, this is first K. First K is at third index. For S it will be 4. Okay, these are characters. And for F it will be 5. For O it is 6. And for R it will be 7. Okay, and G, E, and KS is repeating again. So we will not consider those. So this will be our new dictionary containing the position of those elements. Now while we iterate pat, and if you check inside this dictionary, so first element will be S. We are checking S is there inside this. Yes, S is there at position 4. We're taking 4 that, and we're storing inside another array here, another list you can say. We're storing this inside another list here. 4 will be added. For E is there inside this dictionary yet. At what position? At 1 position. Yes, 1 is there. Now for T is not present. So the list will be ending here. Now we have to take minimum of the list here. So minimum of this list will be 1. So this will be our output. Okay, if there is no element present inside this list, then that means the elements inside the pat are not present inside the string. In that case, we return -1. Okay, I hope you have understood the meaning and approach towards this question. If you have a still doubt, let us go to the coding section. After that, it will be more clear. Now we are inside the Geek for Geeks website, and as you can see, we have taken a dictionary value, and we have taken a L variable list here, and this list will be storing the count of the positions. Okay, now for x in range of length of string, okay, we are using the string, and we're going to add all those elements inside the D, and we have only taken one case here. If the element is not present, only in that case we're going to add inside the dictionary. Okay, and in the second loop, we're taking each element from pat, and we're checking that element is present inside the dictionary or not. If it is present, we're getting the position value of that element, and we're appending to the L list here. Okay, if the length of list is 0, then that means there is no element present, then we'll return -1. Okay, if else case, we are taking the minimum value, whatever value is present inside the list L, we're going to take the minimum of that, and we'll be returning to the compiler. I hope you have understood the question and the code behind it. you like the video, give us a like. And if you have extra email IDs, please do subscribe and support. Thank you for watching till the end. Let's meet in another question.